pi there, we're given here a circular steel bar with the following dimensions, and it's exposed to a tensile stress of 12 kilonewtons. We are to determine the 4 characteristics here or properties of the steel bar with the required units. So let's start with the first one, the cross-section area of the bar in terms of diameter. Okay, so what is the cross-sectional area of the bar? We'll use pi d squared over 4 for area in terms of diameter, area of a circle. Okay, we have pi. And then 15 millimeters, get rid of the prefix milli and write it in powers of 10, which is 10 to the third. This becomes meter now, and then we square it all over 4. Therefore, the cross-sectional area of the bar in two significant figures is